Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Once again, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel voidlooprobotech and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to create multitask with FreeRTOS and STM32 controller. So let us get started step by step. This is earlier project. Now I'll copy and paste. Okay. Zero two multitask. Okay. Extract this and go to core and source file and main.c. Here we will do some changes. Okay, so in this project only one task is running, so here we are going to create three tasks. Copy and paste. Okay, this is red LED task and green LED task and blue LED task. Okay, now create this, copy this function and paste green, blue. Okay, and copy, paste. Okay, green, blue LED task. Okay, green, blue. Now multitasking is created. Here I have created three tasks. So let us build and run. Build. You can see there is no error and warnings, and let us run. Select here debugger, ST-Link and scan and apply and OK. Okay, now I will open Doclight. You will see here printing. Okay, so let us check comport 11 is okay and run. You can see all prints are printing, all tasks are printing. Green LED task, green LED, green LED task, green LED task, blue LED, somewhere it will be red LED, red LED. Okay, string is not printing properly because of all tasks are running with same priority. Okay, sometimes prints are missing because of task is not getting to execute enough time. Okay, so that's why it is not printing properly, but all tasks are running with same priority and properly. So we will see in another video how to see all tasks are running or not by using profiler. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like this video, so please do like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.